3 plus 2. Lagyan muna po ng counters. Yan. Okay, bilangin na po malakas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 plus 2 equals?
5.
5. Okay, sulat po yung 5. Ayan, very good. Okay, 5 plus 1. Lagyan mo na po. Ayan, bilangin na po. Five plus 1 equals? Okay, very good. Sulat po yung sagot. Ayan, very good. Erase na po. Okay, princess. 4 plus 3. Okay, bilangin po ng malakas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
4 plus 3 equals? Okay, sulat po yung sagot. Ayan, very good. Okay, Angel Pauline. 5 plus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, bilangin po ng malakas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5 plus 2 equals? 7. Sulat po yung sagot. Ayan, very good. Alexandra, 4 plus 2. Okay, bilangin po ng malakas. 4 plus 2 equals? Okay, sulat po. Ayan, very good. Skyla, 3 plus 1. Okay, bilangin po.
1, 2, 3,
3 plus 1 equals?
4.
Ayan, very good. Realin, 2 plus 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, anong sagot? Okay, sulat na po. Ayan, very good. Noreen, 4 plus 2. Anong sagot po? Okay, sulat nga po. Ayan, very good. Trixie, 2 plus 1.
1, 2, 3.
Anong sagot? Okay, sulat po yung sagot. Okay, reveal 2 plus 2. Okay, bilangin po. 2 plus 2 equals? Okay, sulat. Very good. Jonathan, 5 plus 4. Okay, bilangin po. 5 plus 4 equals? Very good. Very good. 3 plus 2. Okay, bilangin ko. 3 plus 2 equals?
5.
Very good. Sulat po. Ayan, very good. Okay, Andy, 5 plus 6. Okay, bilangin na po.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5 plus 1 equals? Okay, sulat po. Ayan, very good. Patrick, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals? Okay, sulat po. Very good. Ajay, 4 plus 3. Bilangin na po. 4 plus 3 equals? Very good. 5 plus 2. Okay, bilangin po ng malakas. 5 plus 2 equals? Okay, sulat po. Very good. Johan, 4 plus 2. Okay, bilangin ko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4 plus 2 equals? Okay, sulat po. Very good. 2 plus 1. Bilangin po ng malakas.
1, 2, 3.
2 plus 1 equals?
3.
Okay, sulat po. Very good. 1 plus 2.
4, 3.
Bilangin na po. 1 plus 2 equals?
3.
Okay, sulat po. Very good. Ethan, 4 plus 2. Okay, bilangin ko. 4 plus 2 equals?